Hi guys, today is Monday. It is the first day of sub week and you will be watching Matilda for the next 2 days. The goal of watching Matilda is to see how somebody takes a piece of creative writing or a mentor text and turns it into film. So you're going to be looking at Matilda as its original writing. You're going to pick it apart and kind of talk about what you notice. And then we're going to talk about how does the film match up to the mentor text or not match up, or how did the director take the text and turn it into cinematography. Cinematography, not cinnamon, cinematography. So make sure when you do the opening activity, think about good content and craft, annotate and highlight as we normally do, and then you will have a discussion as a class and with the sub about what you think of the Matilda text. After that opening activity, the focus for today is how is film a form of creative writing and how does it translate from mentor text into the actual film itself? And like we talked about on Friday, that's what you have to do. You have to find a piece of mentor text and you have to read it and look at it from the creative writing standpoint, and then you have to make it into something that's cinematographically creative. Ooh, I can't say that word. It's going to be a long video. Homework-wise, you have homework here and there throughout the week. So tomorrow there's no homework. You're just going to finish the film. Please make sure that you turn in your notes into the basket for grading. Mrs. Washock will inventory those, so you want to make sure you turn those in so they're not marked late. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are workshop. You will be working on the film project in your groups of 2 to 3. You will be working in some stages that I will outline on a video. There is an assignment on Thursday. It will be on Google Classroom. It's going to be called the Google Status Check Assignment. And basically you're going to just type up a couple sentences of where you're at with the project. How's it going? What are you creating? So I can just kind of see what's going on. This will be graded and you want to make sure you submit it on Google Classroom, and you can do it in class. Friday and Monday are your final workshopping days, and then Tuesday next week will be the Film Fest. Today we're going to watch Matilda. As you watch the film, you need to take notes. You should have this chart. It will be labeled Matilda, and it's directed by Danny DeVito, and you are actually taking notes mostly in this part of the chart, the observations part of the chart. And you're going to write down some of your favorite moments within these categories, some of your favorite camera angles, some of your favorite framing shots. And then as you finish the chart between today and tomorrow, you're going to pick 3 things on this side, and you're going to put an arrow and you're going to just kind of talk about why it's a cool technique. You're going to give me the effect or purpose. So for instance, one of my favorite things from the movie is the high and low angle between Matilda and her father. So Matilda's right here, her father's right there, and I would write down the power struggle going on between those two characters. So I would put high and low angle between Matilda and her dad. And then over here, I'd put an arrow and I would say there is a huge power struggle between these two people, but there's a lot of power struggles between basically bad parents and good kids. So fill out this. 3 things need to be done on the last part of the charting, which needs to be done either today or tomorrow. So watch the film, and then to close out today, make sure you talk to each other about what did you notice, and are you coming up with any project ideas based on this film or by Pride and Prejudice.